Alrighty guys, welcome back to another POV drive. So it might rain some, but POV drive number 2 with the new camera, the Insta360 Go 3S, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, we'll take you guys on a little evening POV. Yeah, so just I hope you guys enjoy the sounds and the POV. I'm gonna try not to do much talking, but yeah. And one thing also, I did get a couple people asking what the exhaust setup is. It's pretty simple. It's just a muffler delete with an X pipe. And that's pretty much it. Just straight piped behind the cats, pretty much. So yeah, car is straight piped. Besides headers, but that will be soon. But yeah. Oh, I should have went, shouldn't I? It's alright. She got behind a slow trailer. Can hear it when I get off the gas. It does, the exhaust system, this straight pipe does have some natural like crackles. I don't know if it picks up on camera, but I'll be quiet and see if you guys can hear it. Downshifts. They are nuts, the 10-speed downshifts. This car and this system, between like 2 and 2.5, pretty much 2.5, if I just hit the gas to it, has this loud, like, I don't know how to explain it, it's just pretty loud. Well, I'll do it right here in a second. Yeah, 2 to 3 has that crisp sound, but pretty good. This is only the second or third POV on the channel. Let me know what other content or video you guys want on the channel besides POV drives. I've done already a previous you see on the channel of mods I've already done in the car, but besides new and future mods, let me know what other content you guys would like to see, and just let me know. I'm interested in what you guys want to see, so let me know down in the comments. Fire truck. Oh, nice, right here. I can't tell if I did just rain for a few, so the roads are a little wet. Not trying to push the car too much, you know. But yeah. For sale right here. Couple, two of them. Oh, nice. The wind isn't too much. I'll do some POV with the windows up, you guys can hear it. The drone isn't too bad, especially being straight piped, but it definitely has some drone, especially on the highway. Vehicles, nice. Emergency vehicles ruin the POV drive for you guys. fucked up. Gas nowadays is expensive. Holy. Alrighty guys, that's gonna conclude today's POV drive. The next one will be on Monday, uploaded on Monday. So yeah, this video will be uploaded on Monday actually, and then every Monday, Friday will be new uploads, maybe more sprinkled in there. But let me know what other videos you're gonna wanted to see besides POV drive. So let me know, and peace.